Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about Smartsheet. Smartsheet is a powerful collaboration and workflow platform that can help you manage your projects, tasks, and data. But is it free? I get asked this question a lot, so I thought I would do a video to answer it once and for all. The short answer is no, Smartsheet is not free. However, there is a free trial available, so you can try it out and see if it's right for you. Smartsheet pricing. Smartsheet offers a variety of pricing plans, depending on your needs. The most basic plan is the individual plan, which costs $14 per user per month. This plan includes 10 gigabytes of storage, 500 tasks, and unlimited users. The next plan up is the Pro plan, which costs $25 per user per month. This plan includes 20 gigabytes of storage, 1,000 tasks, and unlimited users. The Enterprise plan is the most expensive plan, but it also offers the most features. This plan costs $45 per user per month. It includes 50 gigabytes of storage, unlimited tasks, and unlimited users. In addition to the monthly subscription plans, Smartsheet also offers a pay-as-you-go option. This option allows you to pay for only the features that you use. Smartsheet free trial. As I mentioned earlier, Smartsheet offers a free trial. This trial is available for 30 days and includes all of the features of the Pro plan. Is Smartsheet worth the money? Whether or not Smartsheet is worth the money depends on your individual needs. If you are a small business or individual who needs a simple way to manage projects and tasks, then Smartsheet may be a good option for you. However, if you are a large enterprise with complex needs, then you may want to consider a different solution. Alternatives to Smartsheet. There are a number of alternatives to Smartsheet available. Some popular options include Trello, Asana, and Microsoft Teams. In conclusion, Smartsheet is not free, but it does offer a free trial so you can try it out and see if it's right for you. Smartsheet is a powerful collaboration and workflow platform that can help you manage your projects, tasks, and data. However, it may not be the right solution for everyone. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on productivity and technology. Thanks for watching.